All right, so today I'm gonna be trying Subway's $5 footlong cookie. And wow. All right, so this is just a very long cookie. I hope it's good. Ooh, okay, kind of hard. The chocolate basically melts it off.
Ooh.
The cookie fell.
The cookie fell. Okay, that's fine.
Give it a try.
No.
All right, this time I won't show you guys though. Y'all over there thinking about it, wanting it, making it fall and everything. All right, let's give it a try. Not bad. This is honestly for the price as well. I think it was $5. This gotta be like an easy 8.5. Very good cookie. See you guys next time on This Cookie's Good.